this is about motion manager we are going to deal with. So first I'll activate the motion manager by using this tab. Can you see this one, motion study? From here I will activate. So when I do that, we'll get this tab. Here we can able to adjust the time bars, as well as these are the motion study player, and this is the animation wizard, then motor, spring, contact and gravity. We are going to deal with these all the things. For now I'm going to explain what actually this animation wizard is. So for that, just activate this. Here if you create explode as well as collapse, that will also pop up here. So if you don't have any explode and explode as well as collapse in the assembly, it won't show here. So for that, let me create the explode view for this. So let's just activate this first, explode view, then I will select this component. I'm going to drag it somewhat like this. After that, done. So next, drag it. Then next component you can select, drag it outside like this. Same thing for this. These you can see it is handles up. It's somewhat injection molding components. So let me just drag it, and next I'm just rotating this component. For that you can understand what and all you can do. So this is next one, and this one also I'm going to rotate. Okay, these are my explodes. So I'll just go back here. You can see explode as well as collapse has been added, right? Yes. So now I will just collapse these components by using this tab. Next, use this animation wizard, add the rotation for first. So you can see here also, delete all existing parts is already there. So if I select this, if I check this, whatever the motions you have created now before, so that will get deleted. So now I will select this because you already know nothing has been created, right? So then I'll click on next. The rotation is activated. So here you can able to specify the axis according to which you want to rotate your component. So for now I will go with X. Okay, it's already Y it has taken. So just a minute. Okay, I'm having the call. Hello, Naresh sir. Morning sir. Yes, I have called you sir. I just spoken with the manager, Dakshani ma'am. So regarding your clarification of assembly drawing template, right? So I gone through that, but I couldn't able to get the answer properly. So what ma'am suggested, so we'll better deal with the tech support. We'll raise the SR, and we can able to get back with that, she told. So what you can do, you just regarding that issue, you just mail to tech support. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Then I already spoken with Dakshani ma'am. I will let you know what actually she told that she will revert you back. Hello. Just a minute. I'll call you. Hello, sir. Actually, I was in the training. So, okay. The thing is, Dakshani ma'am will revert you back according to this. Okay. So I try to get this I tried to get to solve this question, but I couldn't able to get that. Ma'am told that it's better to go with SR, so the Dassault system will deal with this and they will send you back the reports and all, and they will upgrade it in the next sessions, like that she told. So she will come back to you. Fine. Okay, so fine. Bye. Yes. Is it visible? So we'll proceed. So now I'm going to change the direction. Can you see this one triad? Yes. So now I'm going to activate x-axis. Regarding x-axis, it should rotate. Fine. So now number of rotation I'm going to specify how much? 2. Only 2 is enough. And the clockwise and anti-clockwise you can define however you would like. So better go with clockwise, and I will click on next option. So when I do that, you can see I can able to specify the start time as well as the duration. So start time, I will start with 0 itself, and the number of seconds, it's okay, 10. Okay, the duration is 10 seconds. So I'll finish it. So when I do that, can you see this one here? So I'll just start it from the beginning. This is according to x-axis, it is rotating. So if you find it is somewhat wrong, what you can do again from here, you can delete all the existing paths. So now again go with rotation. So now you specify y-axis, and here number of rotation you specify, then go next, and the duration and starting time again I will specify 0, and I will finish it. So now if I start it again, you can see this is according to y-axis. Fine. So next, in this rotation only, I am going to add the explode. Okay, I'll select this explode. So click on next. Here the duration I'm going to specify, it should start from 0 itself and it should end exactly at 5 seconds. Fine. So I'll finish it. So when I run it from the beginning, you can see up to 5 seconds each and every component will, with rotation, it is going to explode. So I have already added rotation as well as explode. Now I'm going to add collapse in this. So click on next. So I will start with 5 seconds and I am going to end up, it has 10. Sorry, not 10, means 5 seconds only duration I need to specify, because at 10 seconds it stopped. If I specify 10 seconds duration, it will go up to 15 seconds. So let it be 5. So we'll just start it again. You can see up to 5 seconds it will explode. After that again it will collapse. Yes, starting duration 5 I given. Yeah. In the explode I have started with 0 to 5. So if I specify again 0, what will happen again? So it will merge it, right? It will give the conflict result. So you can try with that. It will give the results but not exactly the proper result. I hope it is clear how to use it. So next thing is sorter. Yeah, later, last I will give. Yes. So now I will activate new tab to deal with this. So next, from the animation I will go with motion, basic motion study for sorter. I'll activate this to get the result. So what actually our project is, I want to use the gravity study for this. So I'm going to release my balls from here. So it should follow this path, and according to this gap it should fall in the container. So the larger should fall in the last container and smaller should fall in the first container. So we are going to deal with that. So first I'm going to assign contact relation. I will activate that tab and I will select all the components by dragging the rectangle like this. So when I do that, you can see all the components has been selected, right? So I will just click on green check to activate the contact results. After that, I'm going to specify gravity. So gravity should be y direction. Can you see here? Down direction I have specified, and the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So I have already specified the direction. Now if you want, you can able to select the edge like this. So I'll just click OK for this. So after specifying each and everything, so I'm going to just reduce the speed of this and I will run it from the starting. Can you see this? I hope it is clear. Yes, gravity. Because it was animation, so this is all about basic motion. So if I select animation, this won't work in the animation feature. So to run this gravity study, we need to go with the basic motion study. I hope it is clear. So next thing is manual method. So let me create one more study for this. To create the manual study, so I'm going to deactivate my mates so that I can able to drag my components. So I'll just suppress these mates, and as well as I'm going to suppress this concentric mate also. Fine. So now I want to add my motions, animations manually. For that, first I'm going to drag my time bar up to the time bar how much I want. Let me specify 5 seconds. Okay. So now what you need to do, you just move your component how you want. So I'm going to move this component like this up to here. Fine. So this should be added into my animation. So you just click on this update key. So when you do that, you just start it from the beginning. So it will give the motion. So now again I'm going to drag this bar up to 8 seconds, and again I'm going to change the motion here. So I'm going to just move it like this and I'm going to rotate it like this. Fine. These two should be added into my animation. So I'll just update the key now. So I'll just run it from the beginning. I hope it is clear how to add the manual process. So again, so I'll just drag this time bar to 10 seconds. Here I'm going to rotate this component. And I'm going to update this and start it from the beginning. This is third. Manual animation, manually modifying. So after this I'm going to show you how to work on motor study. So let me browse one more component for that. So let me go with so here I want to add the motor study. So let me activate the motion study. From here I'm going to choose motor study. So from here I'm going to specify my knob for rotation. and I'm going to specify the RPM 150. Okay, so I'll just click OK for that, and I will just start it from the beginning. So this is the motor study, what it does. So whatever the mechanical links you have given, it will activate all the things, so it will try to give the motor. So you can able to increase the speed, and you can decrease the speed. I hope these things clear. So this comes under motion studies. So I hope everything is clear now. Yes, yes, in the motion studies only 4 things will come. So let me just give you the notes of this. So I'll just stop this.